as you can see, we're all snowed in here. Got about a foot of snow here, northeastern PA. I don't know how I'm doing this self-camera skills here, so hope I got a good shot. Music Road. Thank God we had some people plow us out. Had some snowblower crew here. Woohoo! Look at this. The mailman's probably glad his job is done today. 4x4s on the road. It looks like the PD. Anthony's restaurant, cleaning up shop there. Uh-oh. Looks like the fuzz are on the beat. There's a lot of plowing that's got to be done here.